Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you the fastest, easiest and free way to convert text into audio. So let's get started. Recently on Hugging Face, Microsoft has released a text to speech model called VibeVoice Realtime 0.5B. This model is highly accurate in converting text to speech, but it has very low latency, like approximately 300 millisecond for the first audible thing that come out from the model. So that is insane, and you can read more about this model on the Hugging Face page, but I'm sure you are not here for that. So I'll go to another link on GitHub where they have VibeVoice official repository. In this official repository, there is Colab notebook. So if I open that Colab notebook, what you can do is that you can start running the notebook. I'll do that. It will warn you that this notebook is not authored by Google, but we don't care. So I'll run it. Then there is this Hugging Face token. So what you need to do is that you need to create a Hugging Face token. First create Hugging Face account, and from API section I'll show you, I guess, here access tokens. You need to confirm your password, I guess, and then you can create a new token for read or write access, whatever you want to do, but I suggest you should use read permission and create a token. Once you do that, you need to provide that token here. I'll very quickly do that step and come back. Now I have done the Hugging Face part and downloaded the model on this Colab. Then let me very quickly launch the demo itself. So this can take couple of minutes based on your internet connection, but hopefully you'll see the results and you'll have a URL or a public URL on which you can interact with the model, and it is creating a Cloudflare URL. So let's wait for, so this is the public URL. When I click on it, it will open another interface. In this interface, you provide your text here, and whatever the model will stream come here. There are a couple of speakers. Then there is this CFG and inference steps parameters. If you don't understand both of them, don't change any of those, and then you hit start and it will start streaming the audio. So let me copy very quickly a few things and I'll hit start. So I'm not sure how much clear audio you have heard from whatever it has been generated here, but what you can do is that you can always click on this save button and it will save the audio on your local machine. So I guess this is it from my side for this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video and you can now able to convert your text into speech using this interface I have just shown you. In case you face some issue regarding replicating this information at your end, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely help you. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.